You are harming your inner child every time you put your needs at last. And you start nurturing and start caring for the other person like this, that. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are your needs being met? Are you emotionally fine? And then you're like, I am tired. No, you're not tired. You're emotionally drained. And you are here, placed on earth. Obviously, you're important. Your DNA, your energy, your frequency is important. That is the reason you are here on earth. Value yourself. How can you value everyone and not value yourself? How can you value the entire world? How can you always appreciate and observe that, oh my God, this person's so good in this and that? And you can write paragraphs for people, and for yourself, you cannot even tell this to yourself that I am amazing. I did great. Thank you, my body, for taking care of me. Thank you for feeding me food. I love you. Have you ever done that, or is this too much? Loving yourself is too much. You're seeing this video because of your eyes, because of your own self, and you don't appreciate yourself. So you can basically see the good, see attractive things in others, but not yourself. Every time you start looking things in yourself, imagine, I respect me. I finally respect me. I respect my body. I appreciate me. Do you think if a person comes and disrespect me, I would believe that? Responding to it or not responding to it is a different thing again. Do you think I'll care? I'll be that much affected? No. Because I respect myself. You cannot degrade my dignity. You cannot disrespect me. Because I don't allow that. Oh, that's not true. Whatever you're saying is not true. I know who I am. Why? Because I appreciate me. Okay, you don't love me. I love myself. Oh, you will not take care of me. It's fine. I take care of myself. With or without you, life goes on. With or without anyone. Your job to protect your happiness, to protect yourself. Before anyone, if you want to have someone that will protect. I don't like the way you talk to me. Stop. I will not talk if you talk to me like this. I will not continue if you're like this. Why? Because you are creating boundaries. You are God only provides me with the best. You cannot say this to yourself. But you can literally do anything for anyone. Keep yourself last. Hear anything. And one thing that if you want to say that हम हमारे क्लोज वन से अलाउ कर लेते, अगर उन्होंने एक दो बार हमें खराब बोल दिया तो ठीक है, नहीं ठीक है वो. यू आर क्रशिंग योर कॉन्फिडेंस. स्ट्रेंजर वैसे भी आपको बोलेगा, आपको उतना फर्क कभी नहीं पड़ने वाला है, कभी नहीं पड़ेगा उतना फर्क. Your close ones are abusing you, looking down, or you are doing things that you are not liking. Speak up. नहीं, मैंने जाने दिया, फर्क तो क्लोज वन से ही पड़ता है. नहीं, क्यों जाने दे रहे हो? They walked all over you. You allowed that. Allowance, उन्होंने जो किया तो किया, बट आपने ले लिया ना, वो आपने ना अपने लिए बोला. और उसके ऐसा नहीं है. Basically, you can make excuses for their bad behavior, but you cannot console yourself saying that उनका mindset वैसा होगा, जाने दो. You keep on repeating those things that are hurting you in your mind again and again and again and again. You can do that. And you can make excuses for their bad behavior, but not speak up for yourself, even when you're alone. What are you doing? Ask yourself. मैं वो डिजर्व करती हूँ. मैं पूरी जिंदगी उस चीज से खुश हूँ. मेरी 9-year-old सेल्फ ये ले लेती, उसे बुरा नहीं लगता कि बड़े होके मैं ऐसे सुन रही हूँ बस क्योंकि वो ऐसे वैसे हैं. Ask yourself. You are abandoning yourself in the process of making excuses for the other person's behavior. Create boundaries. Make excuses for your boundaries. नहीं, मेरे से आजकल नहीं सुना जाता है खराब. ये excuse दो खुद को. No, I cannot take disrespect. Give this excuse to them. मैं आपको 10 बार बोल चुकी हूँ मुझे जो चीज़ नहीं अच्छी लगती नहीं अच्छी लगती. Oh my God, I need space. Make excuse for that. It's beautiful. It's great if you can fight for the world, but the first person that you should fight for is yourself. The first person that you should be loyal to is yourself. Are you loyal to yourself? Or are you letting anything happen to you? And then you're like, I don't value myself, I don't love myself. Where is the love? If you say that you love yourself and you allow all the things that drain you allow the bad friendships that are draining you, the toxic friends that you know that are not good for you, you're allowing that just because you don't want to get lonely. It is not love, honey. First of all, you're never lonely. You always have yourself. You have your parents, siblings, at least two other friends that maybe you're not so close to right now, but you have people you can speak up with. Okay, you have colleagues to just say hi hello to. So stop giving yourself this kind of speech in your head that, oh, I'll be lonely. No, you love yourself, so you will not allow the friendships that you're not liking. Are you loyal to yourself? Okay, if you were your friend, or imagine you have a best friend, what advice would you give her? कि सुन, तुमको अगर वो चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, निकल जाओ. इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग सो मच अफेक्टेड, इफ़ यू आर लिटरली गेटिंग हर्ट, निकल जाओ. इतना बोलते ना, तो आप दुनिया को बचा सकते हो, दुनिया के लिए कर सकते हो. अपनी बार में क्या हो जाता है आपको? यू विल नॉट अलाउ anything in your life that drains you, anything in your life that disrespects you or doesn't see your value, the friendships that are in your life that are draining you, या सिर्फ मतलब के लिए हो आपके साथ, तो रखा क्यों है आपने कि नहीं मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता? नहीं, आपको वैसे भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. यू आर कनेक्टेड टू द डिवाइन. वैल्यू योर सेल्फ. You don't have to be useful, you don't have to do anything to be valuable. You just existing is okay.